trying some gluten-free pre-packaged foods today because I have a lot of celiac friends. You know who you are, because I'm a huge advocate of helping them out and finding things that are edible and tasty and sometimes hard.
Is this gluten-free, edible, tasty?
Technically, depends what country you're in. We went on a bit of a shopping spree for a few bits and pieces. Here's the montage. I like how I'm going to be here for gluten-free stuff, but plants.
I killed a plant, so now I have to replace it.
This is technically all gluten-free. Well, like, technically. But technicalities don't matter. We need pre-packaged stuff. Look at those fucking idiots. Yeah, yes, Brie. We're at the gluten-free section.
Where is the aisle of the gluten and the free?
I mean, some of this is gluten-free. I mean, we'll have to look through it. Ooh, ooh. What are we doing?
Oh, I thought we were filming the food.
No, I'm looking at the food.
I mean, like,
but ooh. What do they have?
Not me.
You need crackers for that.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, how much is this? Give me the price. $6.70. Ooh, that might come with me. So we just found gluten-free crackers, but you wouldn't have known otherwise unless you actually ever look at it. I mean, it's kind of clever. I mean, not too obvious though. Grabbing it. Grabbing it. What's are those?
These are the large coconut milk prunes,
Are they
gluten-free.
gluten-free?
Yeah.
Let's read the ingredients. There's also like, I think
They're gluten-free, wheat-free.
they're gluten-free. I feel like we need to try gluten-free croissants because they look like sad croissants.
Yes, and macaroons.
Yes, let's do that. Oh, French.
Mm-hmm. Pretty sure something from here was gluten-free too.
They really should have like it more obvious where gluten-free stuff is. So we just found a gold mine of gluten-free. I went to the Tim Tams area. They were not in the normal Tim Tams area, so if you want to find these are in like the more like corn thins and crackers. If you're in Woolworths, I don't know where they are in other places.
Which ones?
Shapes and definitely Tim Tams. And maybe, oh my god, maybe Tiny Tebbies. Tebbies? Tiny Tebbies. Alas, there is actually cakes here. I think it says apple pie, cheesecake, and little cheesecakes. So I'm gonna get the little cheesecakes because I love cheesecake, and if this is gross, I'm gonna tell you because no lies from me. It's me, you can kind of see me. Hello. So a fun thing about pasta for gluten-free is you do have different types like chickpea and stuff like that, so you kind of like make sure. I think we're gonna have to work it out. I'm gonna have to phone the people that I know to which one I'm meant to be picking up.
Macaroni?
With that cheese! So we walked all the way down here and then we just hit the motherlode. It's like they're lepers. They just keep them in one tiny spot. Never mind, we're getting spring rolls apparently.
I'm gonna go down.
Chicken nuggets. Are they? I don't know if they're gluten free. Are they just random? I can't see it. Maybe I'm too tall. It is gluten free. Do we want nuggies? I mean, oh my god, they're $10 for a small bag.
I don't want a chicken wing.
No wonder gluten free people are broke. Wait, it's weird. Let's hope it's good because it might be like. I forget how short you are. Goodbye, Brie. So all together, we got how many things? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items of random calibers and random prices. One that I really wanted to try because I have not tried yet was the gluten-free Tim Tams that were actually kind of hard to find as you saw in the video. They weren't where you expected them to be. They look like, they smell normal. This would be like an ASMR, like food porn thing for a lot of people. They taste normal. I taste like a Tim Tam.
Now I'm so aware of my crunchies. It does taste exactly like a normal Tim Tam.
Will it be?
Huzzah.
What's that called? Yeah.
I don't know.
Anyway, where's my microphone? Come here.
What way are you guys eating down?
What's round?
No.
I have to edit this and I'll hear us chewing.
Tim Tams? Gluten free, yes.
Yeah.
It tastes exactly like the normal one.
I'm actually surprised. I'm gonna die. Like,
What, something coconutty?
ooh, yes. What are these called? The coconut macaroons. Are they already gluten free? Or are they, what's in gluten normal macaroons?
Gluten free, wheat free.
Yeah, but what's usually in them? Is it flour? Is it like coconut?
It's not the question. I don't know.
It just says gluten free.
I don't read it. Ooh, that smells good.
I love coconut. If people want some coconut stuff,
It's soft.
you're soft. So am I. Ooh.
Backpack approved.
Backpack. Wait. What's it up with?
These are going to be gone tonight.
Really? We still have a pizza. I'm trying to
Oh my god, we still got to try the pasta.
I'm trying not to draw with the mouthful, but it's really hard. And then, but we still have pizza and garlic bread and chicken and leek pies. We will not eat all this tonight. It will go to better places. Most of it. We've both done on the oven for this. And the garlic bread. And the pies. Wait, I'll...
I mean, we could try what it tastes like first.
I mean, do you want?
No.
That's what I thought. Yeah.
Macaroons though, yeah.
Come at me, bro.
How do you say it? Macaron.
Okay, isn't that two different things? Macaron, macaron.
Macaron is the tasty thing. Macaron is the French person.
So macarons are the ones that go poof.
Is that the macaroon?
Macaroons go
Macaron is a little biscuit.
like that.
Cream.
One's a macaroon, one's a macaron. But we don't know which one. Please comment below with the correct
No,
saying.
wait. I feel like we need to Google this.
Macaroon or macaron?
We have the internet at our palms. I've got to throw that ultra frisbee. I'm gonna put it back there for now. We'll get to that.
So all of the stuff that we're gonna cook.
Put behind us. We'll find a pan. So we just did a bit of Googling. So the macaroons are these ones, we're pretty sure, and the macarons are the French little wheel things. How do you explain what a macaron is?
We think, but if we're wrong, please comment and help us out.
We even Googled this.
It's the biscuit that kind of falls apart when you mouth when you eat it. It's got the cream in the
and
middle.
it's way too sweet, and that's kind of nice. I still gotta find one that I
And
really
they're
like.
every
because
color
it's so
under
sweet.
the sun.
Are they? I mean, yeah. I mean, whatever you can dye them, right?
I need to try a pistachio one.
Ooh, pistachio. Anyway, what do we have next? We have. Ooh, right. Gluten-free shapes. Gluten-free. I mean, I feel like this is a very Australian thing. This is very, very Australian. But as someone who has grown up in Australia, and anyone else who's grown up in Australia, these are probably the best flavoring too. I mean, pizza.
Savory.
Oh my god, you did
Right?
down. No.
I'm a basic. I'm sorry.
No.
Yeah.
They're just harder. I feel like they're good, but like, they're not as much flavor. I feel like they're not as soft, and they're not buttery. I know the normal ones are like buttery.
I'll admit I'm a bad choice here because I don't usually eat the barbecue shapes.
I mean,
If they had savory,
I'm pretty sure they only have these ones as gluten free.
To me, it just tastes like a really damn good shape. Like it's nice.
It's just a crunchy shape, and it's not.
How crunchy is crunchy? Sad tell.
The microphone.
Alright. Do you want this one, or this one?
I think we should try. This is the thing. Okay. Cool. We found these. We're opening them because we pre-prepped some. Ow, my toe. We found these in the bread aisle, but there was no price on them, and it says they didn't sell them. So
This product.
we got them. Yeah, this product's no longer available. It's available. We don't know if it's ever going to be available again, but we got them.
Okay, already though, they feel a bit more harder than a normal croissant.
Do you want to feed me? Oh, that's really hard. No way. It's hard to bite down on that. That's. Can I just do?
Just try.
That was probably gross. I'm sorry, guys.
It feels like you're eating chalk.
That is not. Breathe, spat it out.
I'm
That-
usually a pretty hardy girl, and I
was-
like my food, but
That was not great. That.
it's like eating multiple layers of paper that was slightly moist for a while, but now they're dry,
I just feel like it was like sandpaper. That was.
like chalk. Something better, perhaps,
I think we should probably come back because I need to wash my mouth out.
with a fig and pistachio cracker, gluten free.
I think I need to. I feel like it's tacky now. It's like my mouth literally wants to stick together with how like. Bad audio, but this is where this goes. We're sorry, this is disgusting. Oh, my my teeth. Man!
Something went everywhere.
So we have got a gluten-free garlic bread, which is amazing. It's already in the oven, so we've already got rid of some of it. What else do we have in the oven, madam?
Pie.
Just pie. Chicken and leek pie is apparently gluten-free. The photo and the advertising probably could do a little bit like work, but no judgment. And the most exciting part, pizza. This bread is actually really good. I didn't know they had a gluten-free one. I found this at the bottom of the freezer. So like right at the bottom, buried in there. So I don't know if they did that on purpose, so people can be like, haha, this is mad, or what. I'm gonna throw that in the back.
They're cooking.
Now, we're gonna continue on. We also found these. These are usually great. Gluten-free ones. Once again, they were mixed in with the normal ones, and they're kind of hard to tell that they're gluten-free unless you actually have a look at them. Look at the mix. We should probably get cheese, but
Oh.
that was so loud. But I'm gonna have to mute this. I'm like, when I'm listening back to this, when I'm editing this, all I'm gonna hear is.
Ask her.
We really should have had. Can you pass me the water?
Lemon water.
Lemon water. Oh my god, that's so fancy. I can breathe again. I mean, that'd be good with cheese. Not bad. They taste like the normal ones. All I can hear is you chewing.
It's good.
I'm dreading editing this because the audio would just be like headphones on in my head.
For future Lana.
I'm so sorry.
You're so welcome.
I'm so sorry, future me. Okay, what else do we have? We have, oh my god, right. Sorry. Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Cheesecake.
Looks really good.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I replaced it with like coconut and cashews. Which is a
I'm gonna have my face.
And I'm just gonna.
Mmm.
Mmm. Hello.
Mmm.
I mean, it tastes like nuts, but like if you're allergic to nuts, I'm so sorry. If you're gluten free and nut free, that's unfortunate. Because I get rid of most of your alternatives. I'm just squirreling it and so I can actually talk. Yeah,
that's
that's
nice.
I think, like, yeah, if you had a nut allergy, you wouldn't be able to have that. But that's most of the alternatives here.
For a cheesecake, I think maybe a little bit lacking in flavour.
I mean, was it dairy free, gluten free? I think it was everything free. It was life free. Ah, that's it. It's dairy free as well as gluten free.
It's happiness free.
I know people I can give this to if I see them soon. Because they're both dairy and gluten free, which is really unfortunate. May their poor palates be.
The last thing that we have to cook.
Last thing we do have to cook, and we haven't yet, because we'll get there. It's gluten free pasta. I mean, average. We're gonna eat plain pasta later with warm food.
Yeah, we'll cook it.
I mean, have you ever eaten like?
Could you imagine the crunch though?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I feel like it'll also. We'll be back. Probably in like half an hour. Boom. Sorry, sidebar. The pasta is let off a lot of this cloudiness. So I don't know what's on it. I've never seen it like pasta water be this cloudy. Well, I don't know because the microphones I don't know if it's working yet. I hear mumbling. I have two microphones. I don't know if they're working. So while we're away, we cooked the pasta. I'm having like apparently the most bland person plain pasta with cheese and butter. While Bree's having a bit of actual like passata. Not the minus gross. That's not bad. Like,
it's like kind of thin.
Yeah, it's like a bit thin and flimsy, but like
I don't know if it's as thin as it's like thinner. It's
yeah.
not bad though.
Like, it's just like not the same as pasta. It's like when you eat like konjac noodles or like the edamame noodles, and it's just not quite pasta.
Has the pasta texture, but not quite the flavour. Especially if you have it plain.
And I mean the
Do you want
cheese.
to try that next one?
Yes. The pizza. Why the pizza to me? Ah.
Oh. Even for extra crispy, this is actually perfect.
What the hell?
Our mistake
Wait.
was perfect.
Wait. This is still like soft and like. What? This is the perfect kind of pizza. I hate when pizza's like too hard and like it's hard to like fold. Oh.
That's pretty good.
I'm wrong.
Man.
The last one is the chicken leek pie.
My bit exploded. Give me a second.
We have to cut it up in parts so we can do this. It looks like a car crash.
Oh, it smells delicious. It might be hot.
It's a little doughy. Wait, yeah.
That's amazing.
I think I'd actually prefer this than an all pie.
What?
Maybe. But we need to tell people about the accident that has occurred during
Why there's burnt bits on the side?
intermission. Intermission was
Panic.
accidental panic. I mean, we kind of
Got distracted.
and burnt the garlic bread. That's why we have more garlic bread in the in the oven, which you'll see in a second. I mean, you can kind of eat half of it if you're really like desperado.
Just get a spoon and like scoop out the good stuff.
And like, it's like you can kind of get in there, like wait. Kind of.
Can you just like crunch the top for me?
Ooh, smell the garlic.
Oh, that smells amazing.
Oh.
So you might be able to eat the bottom.
Wait. We've got fresher parts. We don't want to judge it on like the shit parts. But I still want to put it in mouth. Now, the garlic bread, we'll have it now. So, take 2 of the garlic bread. It is hot, but it's not black. Which is an achievement.
Success.
Great success, watch out. I'm just gonna just pass you a whole one. It is hot. Oh, it kind of crumbles differently. Oh my god, just pass. Oh, off your half. I don't think I want that look. It's too hot to actually like hold. Oh, it kind of smells like sourdough. Like,
It smells really nice.
buttery and sourdough. What is it made of? It's like an almond meal or something?
I don't know. It doesn't actually taste like bread. It just tastes like a bit of garlic butter on
Something.
cloudy, doughy substance.
Cloud, yeah. But like, it's nice. It's just, like, what is this made out of? We'll go back to the check.
Okay, rice flour, fava bean flour, maize flour, psyllium husk powder, apple cider vinegar.
What?
Garlic spread.
Oh, apple cider vinegar would be the yeast to try and help it, like.
And there's yeast as well.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Like,
Mainly maize flour, rice flour, and fava bean flour.
it's not bad. Like if I was stuck not eating gluten, like this would suffice. But like
Pizza and garlic bread.
the garlic bread is the, it's alright. I probably, like if I were to rate this, I haven't rated anything. I would give this like a 7 out of 10. Like it's alright. It's bearable, but not great.
Okay.
Okay. So what? We're gonna start rating.
10 out of 10.
10 10, yeah. I think
Not macarons.
I should take the Tim Tams one. Oh no, wait, the chicken leek pie.
Hold on, girl.
Cut.
Shapes. It tastes
8.
like a shape.
It's like a normal shape would be like 10. I think one of those is like
I'm gonna say
an
9.
8.
8, 9. Cool. Ooh, I liked these. The crackers.
I mean, we probably should have had dip on cheese or something with them, but yeah, that should be good. Like, I would give 10 out of 10 for cracker. Cracker of that caliber.
100 out of 10.
10. They taste exactly like a Tim Tam.
It's 100.
Like straight away wins. The pasta, it wasn't bad. It just wasn't like.
I'm gonna say like maybe a 6 or a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, probably like a 6.8.
It didn't have that like the pasta flavor.
It was a pasta
It's
and
like stuff and I might have had a bit too much tomato sauce on it.
I mean, I had it plain, and I think it was like it tasted like pasta, but it wasn't quite pasta.
The
Oh my
chicken and
God.
leg pie destruction.
Oh my god, that is a 10 out of 10.
That
I
was a
will
10
eat that
out of
again. 100% eat that again.
That was gorgeous.
Like I'm pretty sure we still have a spare one in the freezer, so that's like a.
The pizza.
The pizza is a 10.
Give it a 9.
9.
I like chunky on top.
No, I like.
Meat.
I like, but I think I like wood fired pizzas. You can't like go chunky big stuff on wood fired pizzas because like then you can't cook it properly without being like sloppy. Croissants.
No, 0. Minus 10 out of 10. No. That was
Minus
just
100.
chalk in the mouth. Like we couldn't even chew. Everything was dry and crumbly.
It was
And
just tacky. Like I don't understand how anyone liked that. No offense if
my
like
mouth is going dry just talking about it.
Everything. Oh, the cheesecake.
Oh my god, the cheesecake.
Like,
What kind of bland
can you
food
call
would
it
give a
cheesecake if
6?
there's no like dairy in it, no
It's
cheese?
cheese.
Like, can you call it cheesecake?
I'm just gonna say maybe a 6 because like it was passable, but it was kind of bland.
Kind of bland. I mean, like, it could be good, better instead of like a slice. I reckon, like in like little bites.
Mm.
So like not like, oh, I've got this daunting massive thing. It's like a kind
You
of.
did pick it up and just
I did because I like cheesecake, and it's usually my like weakness birthday cake. Where I only have it once a year because like it's really bad for you.
I feel like we need to sample cheesecakes all over Victoria. Do you need a moment?
Maybe we'll have to share like a piece between like 5 people so no one gets fat.
You know, there's a couple
Healthy.
really good ones
We're
I can
healthy.
think of. Should we do the cheesecakes?
I think we have to do the cheesecake eventually.
Yeah,
But I think we
but-
need to hustle a few people into this because I don't want to eat one piece of cake by myself.
The one I'm thinking of is like really big and dense. You can't eat a slice by yourself. It's huge.
I'm picking dense, but that's fine.
It's so sweet too.
Oh, that's sweet. I think that's everything. Like it's got good alternatives to gluten food, like great alternatives to gluten food. I just think some of them are like an attempt. It's like someone walked into the room with the real one, kind of went, smell it, and then walked away.
Yeah, it's like when they do that trick to kids to get them to eat the stuff or dogs, like they put the blindfold, they're like, sniff the bacon, put broccoli in.
I think I'd rather bacon covered broccoli.
With their croissants, it was like, sniff an actual croissant, eat a whole bunch of like tissue paper at once.
But like it's sticky tissue paper.
Mm.
Like why was it like tacky? Like as soon as you add liquid to it, it's all suddenly like became like wall paste.
Yeah, that was
Not great.
not edible.
Sorry, whoever has to eat this. I mean, just don't eat them. Thanks everyone for watching. We might do some more trial videos with different sort of things. I know we'll probably be doing some while we're traveling because we'll be traveling, but they'll be coming out ages away. They'll be coming out while we're traveling because I gotta edit them. That's
Should
just
you
time.
be doing possibly a food world tour?
Ooh, yes.
All the places to try. All the food to be eaten.
It's gonna be amazing. Anyway, thanks guys. Subscribe, comment, and
subscribe.
do all that bull. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.